Assalamu alaikum and welcome to today's lecture on the concept of Tawhid in Islam. Tawhid, which means the belief in the oneness of God, is a fundamental principle that lies at the heart of Islamic theology and practice. Today, we will delve into its significance, theological implications, and practical applications in our daily lives. Tawhid is deeply rooted in the Quran, the central religious text of Islam, and is repeatedly emphasized by Prophet Muhammad in his teachings. It affirms the belief in the absolute oneness and uniqueness of Allah and rejects any form of associating partners with Him. The concept of Tawhid holds immense significance in Islam. Firstly, it establishes a direct and personal relationship between the individual and Allah. It reminds us that our worship, devotion, and supplication should be directed solely to the one and only Creator. Tawhid has profound theological implications. It affirms that Allah is the sole creator, sustainer, and provider of the universe. It highlights His infinite knowledge, wisdom, and power. By recognizing Tawhid, we acknowledge that everything in existence is ultimately under His control and that we are accountable to Him. The belief in Tawhid has practical applications in our daily lives. It inspires us to live a life of sincerity, gratitude, and trust in Allah's plan. Tawhid encourages us to seek nearness to Allah through acts of worship, such as prayer, fasting, and acts of charity. Tawhid also has ethical implications. It calls us to uphold justice, kindness, and compassion in our interactions with others, as we recognize that all human beings are equal in the sight of Allah. It reminds us to be mindful of our responsibilities towards the environment, society, and the less fortunate. Finally, Tawhid unites Muslims around the world, transcending cultural, racial, and linguistic boundaries. It fosters a sense of unity and brotherhood among believers, reminding us that we are part of a global community of worshippers of Allah. In conclusion, the concept of Tawhid is central to Islam and has profound significance, theological implications, and practical applications in our lives. By embracing Tawhid, we strengthen our connection with Allah, shape our worldview, and strive for a life of righteousness and purpose. Remember, Tawhid is not just a theoretical concept. It is a way of life that should permeate every aspect of our existence. May we all strive to deepen our understanding of Tawhid and embody its teachings in our daily lives. Thank you for watching, and may Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum.